Hey guys, today I'm going to make a saucy spam sandwich. It'll be kind of like a meatball sandwich, only I'm going to use spam. I made this the other day for the first time, just kind of one of my throw together experiments, and it turned out pretty darn good. So I'm going to use my slow cooker, but you could also do this on the stove if you want to. So all we need is a can of spam. I'm using turkey spam, and a jar of pasta sauce, and I have one of these bake at home baguettes from the Essential Baking Company. These are so good. You're able to just slice off a piece, put it in the toaster oven and toast it in a few minutes. You got nice tastes like freshly baked bread. But I get these right down here at the store at Andy's Produce Market. I love these things. So let me get this stuff into the slow cooker. I cut my spam into little cubes. We'll get that in there. I was wondering what would happen if you put spam in a slow cooker, but it turns out fine. The nice thing is, by using the slow cooker, the sauce doesn't splatter all over the place. And this is this Classico family sauce. I really like this. I just discovered it. It's fairly sweet, so I don't have to add sugar to it. A lot of my sauces, I like them sweeter, so I have to add a little bit of sugar, but this one I don't. That's all mixed up. I turned my pot to high, and I'm just going to let that simmer for a couple hours. It's starting to smell good in here. I think it's time to slice off a piece of bread and get toasting. Number 6 on the toast setting is usually about right for this. I'm gonna add a slice of havarti cheese, and then we'll get our spam on there. This has been in there for a couple hours, so let's take a look. That looks pretty good. Let's put some on our sandwich here. All right, let's try this thing out. Well, part of it plopped on the floor, but you know, those are really good. I mean, to me, that's just as good as a meatball sandwich, maybe even a little bit better if you ask me. Annie, the taste test dog, came in and cleaned up the floor for me. She's so excited she's shaking. I guess she should have another piece, huh, Annie? There you go. This thing is messy, but it sure is good. If you can find this bread from the Essential Baking Company, you have to try it. It's so good. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.